guys, welcome to another solution at SolutionsRoom. If you're looking for a remedy to thicker eyebrows, that too naturally, then stay right here. I have 3 great tips to reveal to you today. Believe it or not, you can actually use milk to grow your eyebrows thicker. Milk contains protein and other nutrients that nourish hair roots and improves hair growth. So just put a small amount of whole milk in a bowl, dip a cotton ball and gently rub it on your eyebrows. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash it off with warm water. Do this daily before going to sleep for effective results. The hair of the eyebrows is made up of keratin protein. An egg is a great source of protein which can help improve the health of your hair. So just grab yourself 1 egg, separate the yolk from the whites, beat the yolk until it's thick and creamy. Then just apply it on your eyebrows with a cotton swab. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before you wash it off with cold water. You can use this remedy twice or once a week at least until you start seeing results. Fenugreek contains hormones that stimulate hair growth and makes your brows dense. It's also a good source of protein and nicotinic acid which helps strengthen the hair shaft. This prevents shedding and maintains your brows. Just get a pan and add half a cup of coconut oil and 3 tablespoons of fenugreek powder. Then give it a good mix and place the pan onto the stove on high flame. Now let this come to a boil, then turn the flame down and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes with the lid on. After the 10 minutes, let the oil cool down and strain the serum. Store it in a bottle or a jar or whatever you want and apply this on your eyebrows every night before hitting bed. That's all for today guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and share this remedy with someone in need. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.